Welcome back again to my channel. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back, and to the new subscribers, you are very much welcome. So guys, on this particular video I will be sharing with you mistakes you should avoid as a beginner on YouTube, guys. So do well to stick around and let's dive right in. Guys, we're all beginners in this thing. In this particular game, from to call it that, we're all beginners. Like, we're still growing, right? We're still growing. So there are lots of mistakes we should avoid to avoid termination of our accounts, to avoid strikes. There's something called copyright strike, to avoid restrictions like that. There are many things. You see, YouTuber, it's not easy, right? But it's worth it at the end of the day. So I believe we all want to see the beautiful proceeds that comes from YouTube, right? So there are many things, like I said, that you should avoid as a beginner. So let's um, let's start. So number one, guys, we have avoid long introduction. Yes, guys. I mean, when you're trying to teach someone something, or you're trying to update someone on something, right? So no need of the long intro, an intro that takes maybe 5 minutes. Like, what are you introducing, guys? What are you introducing? Just tell them welcome and you just go straight to the point. The many persons that don't like it. There are lots of persons like, do it as though you're talking to yourself, right? Are you the kind of person that will be patient enough to hear someone introduce themselves for so long before telling you what they actually want to tell you? Won't you swipe right back? Like, you definitely leave that space, right? So, and you wouldn't want your viewers to do that to you because you don't like it. So do what you actually love and you know others will love, right? So avoid long introduction. Your introduction should just be minutes, depend on the minutes, seconds. You can just tell yourself, tell them welcome to your channel, and tell them what you want to do, and you just hit the head. Hmm? hit hit the hammer on the head. So guys, like I said, number one is avoid long introduction. Number two, be yourself. Be yourself. Be who you are. Don't fake it, right? Be who you are. No matter how you want to do it, no matter how hard it is, just be you, because that's your uniqueness. That's what differentiates you from others, right? There are 1,000. What is 1,000? There are a lot of content creators out there. So there has to be something unique about yourself because you are different from everybody. So be you, right? Your uniqueness will speak for you at the very least. So just be yourself, guys. Thumbnails, guys. Number three, your thumbnails should be very attractive. I mean, put a very attractive thumbnail, because if your thumbnail is not attractive, who would want to click that video? Sorry, who would want to click that video at first? Nobody. So do well to make your thumbnail very attractive, guys. That should be number three, right? Number four, avoid copyright music. Yeah, there are lots of musics that are copyright, yeah. Avoid them, guys, because it leads to, in the long run, right, your video might be restricted from monetization, or maybe one day you just be there and the next thing you see, your channel has been terminated, and you'll be wondering how, why. It's because of the copyright music. Maybe the person, the owner, maybe something happens and maybe he's not happy with it and he just decides to strike. What would you do? Nothing, because you actually used the copyright music. You used this music, his or her music, without letting them know and all of that. So just avoid copyright music, right? You can go to Google Chrome, you can browse um no copyright music, right? There's this YouTube audio music. I think we all have it on our phones, right? So you can see free music you can use to back up your video, right? That's number 4, right? So number 5, guys, avoid those things I see on a regular, like they do it on Facebook, like follow me, I follow you. But since we're talking about YouTube, so it's going to be subscribe for subscription. Like you tell someone probably in the comment section, subscribe to my channel, and I will subscribe to your channel. No, it's not good for your YouTube channel. You really don't want that, guys. It's going to leave a very bad benchmark, if I'm to call that, on your channel, and you really wouldn't want that in the long run, right? Number 6 should be um avoid um avoid keeping your channel for a long time without uploading videos or anything. Like, don't avoid your channel for a long time. It's not good, guys. It's not good, because automatically the algorithm takes it that this person is no longer interested, and um they stop what's it called, recommending your channel to other viewers, right? And you really don't want that, because it's the recommendations that helps. Okay, number 7, the last but not the least, guys, do not give up. Do not give up, guys. You really don't want to give up, no matter how slow it is, no matter how long it looks like it's not coming, subscribers are not coming, watch hours are not increasing. Doesn't matter, guys, trust me, it's going to increase, it's going to come up. Just keep posting, keep having faith, pray. Yes, have faith, guys. It's going to work no matter how long it takes. So don't give up, right? There are lots of channels that you see there, and you see that the owners have given up, they've dropped the channel, they've moved on. You really don't want that for yourself, right? Don't be discouraged, just keep pushing, and you get there at the end of it. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you got value from this particular video. Do well to share, comment, and like, and also kindly subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, so as not to miss out on new video updates. Bye for now, guys.